So welcome back, guys. It's been in the oven about 5 minutes now. It needs to be nice and flexible. So I'm going to got my jig ready, got my safety glasses on, got my gloves on, as you can see. I'm going to put it on the floor down here and bend it. So take it out. I need to work very quickly here. A, because it's hot. Place it over the end there with the paper side down. Alright, make sure you put the paper side that you glued on down. That's a key thing. Put it in there. Okay, so the important thing is that when it goes in, that it covers up to the top there. Put our back piece, flip it over. It's going down on the floor and stand on it. Okay, so it'll take a couple minutes for it to cool, but when it's cooled, it should hold the shape quite nicely. So again, with the oven, gloves, about 5 minutes, safety glasses. Got to move quickly. The quicker you move, the quicker you get your weight on it, let it cool, the better it's going to set. Remember, if we stuff it up, it's not the end of the world. We stick it back in the oven because acrylic's got a memory and it'll go back flat again and we can have a second and third go at it. Also remember, the glued paper side that you had goes face down because you want that on the outside so you still know where your components have got to go once you put it together. Alright, let's have a look at this one. I think it should be cool now. So, in the next tutorial, I'll show you what it looks like. So, pulling it out, middle piece comes out, and we've got our shape. Alright, so let's have a look at that close.